Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor HCF. HCF. Okay, otherwise this one is called as greatest common divisor. Greatest or greatest common divisor. GCD. Highest common factor or greatest common divisor. For example, already you learned frame factorization. For example, write two numbers. Okay, first number 12. First one 8. Consider the numbers 12 and 8. The factors of 12 are, say the factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, then the factors of 8. The factors of 8 is equal to 1 comma 1 into 8 is equal to 8. So 1, then 2 4s are 8, 2 comma 4 comma 8. Okay, this is the factors of 8. Then here, after this factors, the factors of, what are the factors are here common? These two numbers, the factors of 12 and factors of 8. What are the numbers are common here? 1, 2, 4. Okay. What are the numbers are common here? 1, 2 and 4. Then the factors which are common to two or more numbers are called their common factors. These are the common factors because these three numbers are common in this two numbers. Then out of this common factors 1, 2, 4, which one is the greatest factor? 1, 2, 4. 4 is the greatest factor. So this 4 is the highest common factor. 4 is the highest common factor. Did you understand? What is highest common factor? Write down any two numbers. First you write in two numbers, then you find out the factors. Find out the factors of that numbers. Then next you find out the common factors. Common factors. Then that common factor, which one is the highest factor? Here 4 is the highest factor. So 4 is the highest common factor. 4 is known as highest common factor. Otherwise, greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. Okay. Then method of finding HCF. Methods of finding HCF. Then first one, find the HCF of the following numbers by the frame factorization method. Find example. Find the HCF of the following numbers by the frame factorization method. First A part, 45 and 60. B part 30 and 48. Okay. Find out the HCF of the following numbers by the frame factorization method. First one 45 and 60. Second question 30 and 48. Then first question A part. First using the which method? Frame factorization method. So we write down the first number 45. Then you can split into 2. Then 48 can be consider as 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. Then this is the frame factor. So you can split this one 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Then next number 48. And split this number 48 into 48, 5 and 60. Okay. This one second question 30 and 48. 60. 60 you can split this one into 10 into 6. 10 6 are 60. Then you can split this one into 2 5. 2 5s are 10. This one is 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Then next you write down the frame factors. Okay, first the frame factor of 45. Frame factors of 45. 45 is equal to, what are the frame? 5 3 3. Okay, 5 into 3 into 3. Then next frame factors of 60 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Then next you find out the common frame factors. Common frame factor. Here common is 3 common. Then 5 also common. Okay, 3 and 5 is the common frame factors are 3 and 5. The common frame factors are common frame factors is equal to 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So the HCF of 45 and 60 is equal to HCF of 45 and 60 is equal to 50. Okay, this is the answer. Then B part 30 and 48. 30 and 48. First number 30. Then you can split this number into 2 into 50. 2 5s are 30. Let's take, and this is the frame factor. So you will split this one 15. 15 can be split into 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. The next number 48. 48. 48 can be 2 into 24. Okay, then this is the frame number. So you split this one. 24 is equal to 2 into 12. 12. 2 into 12. So you can split this one. 12. 2 into 6. Split this one. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay, then let's write down the frame factors. Then first one, frame factors of 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, then next frame factors of 48. Factors of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then here common factor. Find out the common factor. This 2 common is 2, then 3. The common factors are 2 and 3. The common factors are 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 30, 48 is equal to 3 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6. The common factor is 6. Okay, the HCF of highest common factor is equal to 6. HCF means HCF is equal to highest common factor. Highest common factor is equal to 6. These two numbers 30 and 48. The highest common factor is 6. Then that 45 and 60. 45 and 60. The highest common factor is 15. Highest common factor 15. Okay. Then this is the frame factorization method. Next one, division method. Find the HCF of the following numbers by the division method. Okay, first one, a part 15, 40 and 65. B part 20, 64 and 80. 20, 64 and 80. Then first one 15, 14 and 65. Then first you write on the first number. What's the first number here? 15. Division method. Okay, then first you write it 15. Then you can divide this number 15 into 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Then 2 of the frame numbers. So next write on the next number. 40. What is the next number? 42. Then 20. 2 2s are 4. 0. 20. Then 2. 10 2s are 20. Then 2. 5. Okay. Then the factors of 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. The next number 65. Using the fifth table here, last number 5. So you can using the fifth table. 1 5 is 5. Balance 1 15. 3 5s are 15. Then here this is the frame number. 13 is a frame number. 13 is a frame number. So next you write down the frame factors. Frame factors of 15, frame factors of 14, frame factors of 65. Okay. Frame factors of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Okay. Frame factors of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. The next frame factors of 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. The next frame factors of 65 is equal to 5 into 13. 5 into 13. Here this 3 number, what are the numbers are here common? Here 3 have, here any 3 have? No. Here also not have. So next you can check 5. Here 5, here 5, here also 5. So which number is common here? These 3 numbers, which one is common? 5 is common. So here the HCF of 15, 14, 65. HCF of 15, 14, 65 is equal to 5. Okay, therefore 15, 14 and 65 is equal to 5. Okay, then next B part. Twenty, 64 and 80. 20, 64 and 80. This is the second part. Okay, then using the find out that HCF of the number using which method? Division method. Division method. So first write on the first number 20, then divide this one 2. then 10, 2 tens are 20, then next you can divide the number into 2, 2 5s are 10, the next number 60, 4, 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, next you can divide this one into 2, 1 2 is 2, balance 1 here, 12, so 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, then next you can divide this one into 2, 8 2s are 16, 2, 4, then 2, 2 2s are 4, then last number 80 is in second table, 4 2s are 8, 0, then 2 2s are 4, 0, then 2, 10, 2, 5. Okay, then next you write down the prime factors of 20, prime factors of 64, prime factors of 80. Okay, prime factors of 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5. The next number, prime factors of second number 64. 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then next, prime factors of 80. Prime factors of 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. Then next we find out the common factors. Find out the common factors. Here 2, common factor 2. 3 numbers 2 have, then also 1 2 have 3 numbers, then here 5 have, here no 5, here on 5, so this is not a common number. Here 2, but the first prime factor no 2, so this 2 only, so therefore the common factors of 2 and 2, the common factors of 2 and 2, therefore common factor finish. Then next you find out the HCF of 20, 64 and 80 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to, what is the common factor? 4. The common factors of 18 is 20, 64 and 18 is equal to 4. The common factor is 4. Okay. Did you understand these topics? Only here you find out the common factor. First you find out the factorization. Next you find out the how many numbers there are. That numbers for you find out the prime factors for. Next you write down one by one. You write down all the values. Then next you find out the common factor. Then you find out the HCF value. How many common factor has, that common factor you will multiply and write it. Okay. Then today's homework problem. Page number 58, homework, page number 58, exercise 3E, number 1, DE, using the prime factorization method. Okay, number 2, division method, DE. This 4 questions homework. Okay. Can you do this homework question? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Thank you, students.